My name's Steve Ward. I'm the owner of sailATX.
And today I'll be showing you how we get the boat ready to sail. So right now I'm centering the traveler, which puts the sail right in the middle of the boat. So next I steer the boat so that it's pointed directly into the wind. Now it's time to raise the mainsail, watching that we stay pointed into the wind and that no ropes or sails get hung up.
And now my favorite part, turning off the motor. Silence.
If you'd like to experience the beauty of sail in Austin, come on down to sailATX.